students, let's take number 2 of exercise 13.3, that is from the chapter area related to circle from class 10. Question is, find the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded region. The radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 cm and 14 cm. So let this radius be capital R, that is equal to 14 cm, and this radius be small r, that is equal to 7 cm, and the central angle theta is equal to 40 degree. We have to find this area. Let this point be x, and this point, there is a point on BD, that is y, and there is a point on AC, that be x. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. If we subtract the area of internal sector from the external sector, from the whole sector, then we will get area of this region. So we can write area of shaded region is equal to area of sector OAXC minus area of sector OBYD. We know that area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. So we will get the formula here, theta by 360 pi r square minus, here radius of this one is small r, so we can write theta by 360 pi r square. Taking theta by 360 as the common factor and pi also as the common factor, we can write r square minus r square. Theta is here 40 degree, and by 360 pi equal to 22 by 7, r is 14 cm, so it will be 14 square minus 7 square. Cancelling these two, we will get 1 by 9 here into 22 by 7, 14 square minus 7 square, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. 14 plus 7 is 21, and 14 minus 7 is 7. Cancelling 7 and 7, and 21 and 9. Here we will get 3, here we will get 7. 22 into 7 is 154, and here we have 3. Unit is cm square. So we will get the answer for number 2. Now number 3 is, find the area of the shaded region. If ABCD is a square of side 14 cm and APD and BPC are semicircle, these two are semicircle, and ABCD is a square, we have to find area of this shaded region. This side will be the diameter of this semicircle. So radius of the semicircle will be, radius of semicircle equal to 14 by 2, it is 7 cm. Now we have to find the area of shaded region. See here, if we subtract the area of two semicircle from the area of square, then we will get the area of the shaded region. So we can write area of shaded region equal to area of square minus area of two semicircles. Area of square, we know that it is the square of the side. So square of side is given 14 cm. So it is 14 square minus area of two semicircle. 2 into area of semicircle is half into pi r square. 14 square is 196 minus 2 and 2 are cancelled. Pi equal to 22 by 7, and here r equal to 7 cm. So it will be 7 into 7, 196 minus 7 and 7 cancel, 22 into 7, 154. So it will be 42 cm square. So we got the answer for number 3. Thank you.